Alright, and I hope you had a good time over Christmas, and maybe you have some more time between Christmas and New Year. And my name is Eric and you're watching Off to 7,000 Islands. And basically we still have one more video which we filmed in Germany when we were there before we went off to the Philippines, and that we wanted to share with you. And what better time there is to actually watch it now when in Europe and in North America the days are short and it's dark and cold. Something beautiful to watch, something beautiful to listen to. And basically we've been in Freiberg. It's a small town in the little east corner of Germany where you can have some really nice coffee and some really nice coffee places around. We've been to one, a very historical old Vienna style coffee house there. We can only recommend that. And also we went to this Terra Mineralis exhibition. It's an exhibition for minerals, and we have made this short video where you can get a short impression of it. It's beautiful to see. Basically here some of the highlights we put here in the video, but we made a long video as well, which is linked somewhere up here, and also of course down below in the description. There's just it's longer, it's basically with classical music, and you can just watch it in the background or watch it to enjoy it. Put it on your smart TV and have some classical music, piano music, and just some nice videos of beautiful crystals and minerals which are formed probably thousands of years ago. It's just amazing to see, and I hope you enjoy it as well. Of course, all the information also down below if you want to check it out for yourself. And now the short highlights. Don't forget to leave a like. Those videos of course will not do so well in our channel because the algorithm doesn't know what to do with it. So please leave a like as well and enjoy.